Hi kids, it's Halloween month and I'm going to make a witch. So here I have this paper and I'm going to draw a face on it and I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to cut out a part of the witch's hat. I will now cut out these thin strips that I will use for the witch's hair. This part that I'm cutting now will be the ribbon on the witch's hat. I'm now cutting a triangle that I will be using for the top part of the witch's hat. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the strips onto the head for the hair. I'm going to glue this rectangle piece on top of the hair and the head, and then I'm going to glue the triangle behind the rectangle. Now I'm going to glue this green piece in between the triangle and the rectangle, and I'm going to fold it behind, so that is like the ribbon on the witch's hat. And now I'm going to cut out the witch's dress. I am going to glue the dress behind the witch's head. And now I'm going to cut out the arms. I will be using this little piece for the hands to match the face. Now it's time to make the broom for the witch. So all I'm doing is just folding a piece of paper Now I'm just going to make some cuts on one side of the fold, and this will be the base of the broom. Now I'm gluing the broom onto the witch's hands. I'm going to add some eyes and finish the witch's face. So there you have it, my witch is all done, and this is a simple DIY for Halloween. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.